All right guys, CFH and CFH-X, what's the difference and why carry either one? So this video's purpose is to just really highlight the differences between the CFH and the CFH-X. The CFH was our primary go-to. I wanted something you could conceal and really be able to pry small things, use it. It's amazing how many uses you have for this when you start carrying it on a daily basis. We really did want to make the best concealed carry combat flathead in the world. That was what we set out to do. The material, the coating, the carry system, everything involved with this is premium, and we did not spare any expenses with this. We came out with the CFH-X because it has a different size. That is really the primary difference. Now, there are different parameters out there of why you would want a different size. And this, to me, is like, if I don't have anything really hindering me from carrying a CFH-X or a CFH, I'm gonna use the regular size CFH. If I do want to go somewhere that might be restricted for whatever reason, it has different parameters I need to work in, this is the carry solution that I would choose. I've carried this with me a lot of different places and have had no issues. There are just some places that you cannot take the full size combat flathead, which is why we made the CFH-X. One of the biggest differences between both of these is the CFH is 7.75 inches and the CFH-X is 6.5 inches. They both have very similar purposes. You just need to figure out which one works for you. I typically just keep these separated. I put this with my pens and stuff, and really at the end of the day, it is just a simple flathead screwdriver. That is the nice thing about this, is it's not trying to be anything that it's not. It's just the mindset behind it, like anything else. Believe me, I know a lot of guys out there that carry pens, pencils. They have those deliberately placed somewhere where they can just put those things to work. And really at the end of the day, everything in your environment is a tool. This just gives you the opportunity to have something with you everywhere that is not only something you could use to defend yourself, but also something that you could use as a utility and a tool whenever you needed it. So put these things to work. That's what they're made for. That's the biggest difference of why I would carry each one of these things. And at the end of the day, I want to see these things get beat up. So thanks for sending in any of the pictures that you guys use or the videos. We love that stuff. Keep sending it in. If you want to find out more about the CFH-X's and the CFH, you can go to crusheverything.com. We'll see you guys in the next video. God bless. Peace.